What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I am Monstera Nichole, and I am a certified meditation practitioner and teacher. I am currently sitting outside, and it is raining. It is refreshing. It is so beautiful outside, washing away and cleansing the air, washing away all the dirt and the dust. And I felt that this was a perfect moment to recite some restoring positive affirmations. Okay. First, before we get into these meditative affirmations, I want you to be very comfortable. Take a minute to sit, get comfortable, whether that's sitting down, laying down. And when you get there, I want you to close your eyes and I want you to take a couple of deep breaths for me, okay? We're going to do this together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Really breathe in deeply, dig deep into your diaphragm, and exhale and really push that air out one more time. Now I want you to repeat these affirmations after me. I am allowing the rain to flood and wash away all of the fear and doubt that I hold stored in my body. I clear my subconscious for any negative, disrupting thoughts that go against me. I am washing away all fear, all anxiety, all doubt, all unforgiveness. I restore myself with love, with confidence, with acceptance, with forgiveness. I let the rain wash away all of the shame that I have ever felt about myself. And I allow pride and acceptance and self-love to flood my mind, my heart, and my spirit. Let this day wash away the past, the old mistakes. Let it wash away. And may new ambitions, new hopes, new dreams, new joy flood every single cell in my body. Namaste. I love you all so much. And I hope that you all are having a beautiful day, a wonderful weekend. I am sending you so much love and light. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because this is a healing space that we are creating. My channel is a safe space, and I hope that you know that and you feel that every single time you come back to my channel and watch my videos. I hope you know that this is a safe space for you. I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.